Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku. In addition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday the 1st, March the 1st, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, and the 4-star Sudoku. Yes, it's time for the 4-star Sudoku number 6045. Have a little problem with this one, but the previous one, but we solve it again. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 1, 2, 2 threes, 2 fours, 1, 2, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2, 3 eights, 3 nines. It's divided. So I cannot start right away with one number. So let me check which number I can use. Well, 5, 7, and 1 here. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. No. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the last row. No 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and a 9. As a pair, 9 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. 1, 1. Okay, 2 number. No. 5, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. Okay. Here, need a number. 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the last column. The 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright. 3, 3. 1 is missing. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 7, 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. No 1 and 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 5, 5. 8, 8, 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 7. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Here should be 1. 7, 8. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Overlooked, 9, 9, 9 here, yeah. 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Shoot there. 9, 9, 9, 9, okay. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, and look, we have 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Well. 1, 1. 7. How about these 2 missing numbers? 2 to the 9? Yeah. 2 to the 9. 2 to the 9. Okay, 2 and 9. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. 9, 9, 9. 9. Yeah. 9, 9. 9, 9. Need a 6 here. Yeah, the last part. 7. 7 also. Let me see. 4, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. I'm thinking. 6, 7, 8. Need an 8. here. Yeah, I need 8 here. Need an 8 there. No, 8 here. 8 here, 8 there. Yeah. Where is the hidden number? Need a hidden number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, and 7. Come on. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Yeah. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 should be one of these 3 missing numbers. Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in the second row. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here also. Need a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. And I need a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Alright, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 here. Come on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the second. No 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. 4. Okay. Still cannot fill some numbers here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next only 3 places left for 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 in these in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column and only 3 places left for 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row. First row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 1 should be here because we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. Yeah, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. Here, 1 second row, second column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. I think this is the opening. So 1 number left here. I believe the 2 is missing, 2 and a 9. 2 here, 2 there. So we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, yeah, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. That means I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Well, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 now in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column, I believe the 9, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left. No. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 4 and 6. 1 box left in the first row for the 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Yeah, need a 6 here. Well, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. On there, we see a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and 5. Oh, 1 number left in this third column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Need a 6 there. Okay. 2 numbers left here. We have a 2 and a 9. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. Okay. Alright. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 3 to 4. Okay, 9, 5. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 there. 1 here. Yeah, 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the middle column? No 1 there. 1 should be there. 9, 5, 3. 9, 5, 3. 9, 5, 3. Okay. 9 and 3. Yeah, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 9 should be here. 6 should be there. And 3 could be everywhere. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6. Oh, sorry. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, totally different than the previous one. Here, this one I need 30 minutes. This one 18 minutes. So is this video 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Wow. I'm very surprised. Although it has 1 less digit. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.